What's up, y'all? It's Timmy, and today we're gonna go surf the board tide. It's one of the largest board tides in the world. Let's go. Haven't used the old playboat in a while. Should be interesting. Hey, check it out. It's another truck house. Nice. So we're gonna roll up the road and go catch this thing called the board tide. I'll explain more in a minute. So we're gonna pull over in this pullout right here and get set up to paddle. Super hot day outside. Gorgeous day, and this is it. So I have not actually surfed this thing in probably 10 years or something. Let's get dressed. You playing music too or not?
Oh, a little bit.
Nice. Your Jangle Bees?
Oh, Jangle Bees, yeah. I didn't, Moore went and checked them out.
Nice.
I was doing dad duty and the cooks were playing at the sea view.
Yeah, I know, I saw that. I was like... We kayaked this before, like, paddleboards were invented, so, but now there's paddleboards, which there'll probably be a lot of out here today. All right, we're all geared up. Like I was saying, I haven't surfed this in probably 10 years. See how it goes, should be fun. Let's go. I've been in this playboat in like 2 years. All right, let's do it. Look how close my bow is to the water. You can actually lean forward and like put it underwater. This is a pretty fun boat though. So anyway, within probably 15 minutes, you notice all the tide is being pulled out. There's a sandbar right there in front of us. This whole thing just turns into a shallow sandbar. Then all of a sudden, 2 times a day, the entire ocean comes screaming up this arm, brings a little tidal wave along with it. It always varies in size. It depends on the tidal fluctuations and low tide and high tide, but it's supposed to be a pretty good one today, so we'll see. The one thing you have to be careful about, and if you guys look in the past, there's some videos showing, like right here, see how shallow it is? Literally looks deep. It's literally not even a paddle blade deep. So you do not want your bow to bury and dig because you'll get front flipped. So you're really just gonna keep your bow above the water. And eventually, you can see the high tide line is halfway up those rocks, a little over halfway. So if you get too close to the shore over there, you can totally get pummeled. It's super shallow. These guys are literally like walking out there. Whoa, like that. Just hit the ground. I don't know. Maybe it's too shallow to do this. Still only less than a paddle blade deep. Hey, you wouldn't think this is the ocean if you didn't know any better until the tide starts moving. Wow, like literally getting stuck. It's this shallow. Maybe I won't be able to surf it. so shallow. This is like inches deep. You know what's cool too is the birds all know the tide's coming in, so usually that tide will start tumbling fish in the sand over there, which gives them a meal. So you can see like there's a ton of eagles out here, seagulls, just waiting for their meal. Here she goes. Missed it by a couple feet. Woo! Well, at least you got a little piece. Man, if we would have been like 100 feet back this way, you just never know where it's gonna do it. Yeah. Yeah, at least you're not going on the sand right now. Nope. You know, water starts doing weird things in here. Turns into a big whirlpool. I was doing some crazy this year. It's so shallow. Like a whirlpool over there. Can almost catch it again.
Well, that's a wrap, y'all. This is a quick video, but just wanted to give you guys a quick view of what the board tide looks like. Maybe I'll catch it next time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace, y'all.